This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, November 20th, 2019. As a follow-up to a video I did recently on leadership, as we see the market starting to show pullback signs. One thing we should be careful is to be owning and holding on to stocks that are not doing well and have not been doing well, as the market has been screaming to all-time highs right here. That's the S&P 500, and we can take a look at the weekly chart and one of the lines we were watching coming into the new week. And paid Multiyear.com subscribers are aware of this line right here. We were in anticipation of a potential resistance as far as the weekly for the S&P 500 is concerned. We are getting that pullback look, but more importantly, it's the stocks that have not been trading well. Now, in other words, while the market is making all-time highs, a stock like MOS is close to fresh lows. It's not a good look, especially take a look at the long-term picture. We are coming close to multi-year lows. In fact, going back to the lows of 2008. So the risk here is, if the market is truly going to see a major pullback, then stocks that were already weak are going to be the worst performing. In other words, they are going to be the new leadership on the way down. So a stock like this, I would watch for the recent monthly closing low. And let me give you that level to watch. It's 18.34. A break of this level would be a serious material breach. And don't forget, we are trading at multi-year lows as far as the RSI and MACDs are concerned. So the risk here is, if the market is truly going to see a major pullback, then stocks that were already struggling are going to see a severe drop. In other words, if we see a major drop, stocks like this might go to trade in the lower single digits in the months and years ahead. So be on the lookout. 18.34 would be the level to watch for any potential break. Again, for MOS, I would watch a recent monthly closing low. Use that as a trigger if you're trying to go short, or a stop level if you're holding on. And the level again is 18.34. Anything below that price would be a serious break. And again, all dependent on market direction. If this market is truly making a major multi-year high, then stocks that are already weak are gonna be destroyed. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC.